Why is it we ship the monkeys from all over the world and send them with only a few sheets of paper for years' worth of health records? Let me show you how Enos can help solve this problem. The United States imports approximately 30,000 purpose-bred non-human primates each year for research purposes, with the majority originating from Vietnam, Cambodia, and Mauritius. As regulatory scrutiny surrounding the importation of these animals continues to increase, the ability to verify colony status and generation data has become critically important. This raises an important question during supplier audits. How can auditors confidently verify breeding records, health histories, and screening reports when much of this information is still maintained on paper or scattered across multiple Excel spreadsheets? In many cases, these records lack adequate controls and traceability, making data entry errors, inconsistencies, and gaps in documentation difficult to detect. As a result, demonstrating compliance and ensuring data integrity can become a significant challenge for both suppliers and auditors.
I can't believe we're finally going to be parents.
I know, and a little boy. I'm so excited.
Enos is already used by a number of NHP breeding facilities across Cambodia, Vietnam, Mauritius, and China. The platform enables breeding sites to capture and manage critical animal records in a standardized, auditable system. For example, the birth of each animal is recorded along with the sire and dam IDs and the animal's sex. This information is automatically used to create pedigree charts and maintain traceable lineage records across generations. Breeding facilities can enter data in their local language, while Enos automatically translates records into the user's preferred display language, making international collaboration and auditing significantly easier. The data can then be reviewed to provide insights into viral status, generational number, and colony status, helping organizations verify the origin and breeding history of individual animals. Enos also records details of vaccinations and deworming treatments, including the specific products administered and treatment dates. This allows users to quickly generate reports showing when animals were last treated and helps facilities plan and manage future vaccination programs more effectively. Weight monitoring is another critical component of an animal's health history. During data entry, Enos performs validation checks and generates alerts if unusual weight loss is detected or if potential data entry errors are identified, helping ensure both animal welfare and data accuracy. In addition, the system captures TB testing results and other health screening data. Laboratory results can be imported directly from a variety of commercial screening laboratories worldwide, providing a comprehensive and centralized view of each animal's health status throughout its lifetime.
Where will I go today?
In preparation for animal exports, reservations can be created within Enos, recording the number of animals to be shipped along with the required reservation criteria. Validation checks help ensure that every animal assigned to a reservation meets the client's specified requirements. Once the reservation is finalized, an outshipment record is created, documenting the transport box and compartment allocation for each animal. This provides full traceability throughout the shipping process and helps ensure compliance with transport requirements. If required, Enos can generate printed animal records using configurable report templates tailored to the needs of different clients. These reports can be branded with your organization's logo and corporate details, providing a professional and consistent presentation of animal data. Enos can also assist with the preparation of export documentation, including locally required shipping documents and export certificates, helping to streamline the export process and reduce administrative workload. Upon arrival at the quarantine facility, animals are recorded within Enos as being under quarantine and remain in that status until all required examinations, tests, and release criteria have been successfully completed. This enables facilities to monitor key metrics such as quarantine start and end dates, as well as the average number of days animals spend in quarantine. Additional weight measurements can be captured throughout the quarantine period and combined with historical data, providing a complete growth and weight history for each animal. This allows trends to be monitored over time and supports ongoing health assessments. Food consumption can also be recorded, including routine feeding and any supplemental or top-up feeds provided. Animals requiring medical attention can be admitted to the hospital using the hospital admission activity. Detailed clinical records can then be maintained, including health observations, reasons for hospitalization, diagnostic results, blood work, treatments, and outcomes. For animals undergoing surgical procedures, Enos supports the recording of post-surgical observations and recovery data. The system can also store diagnostic imaging and related medical records, including X-rays, ECG results, and other supporting documentation, providing a comprehensive medical history for each animal. To support day-to-day animal management, Enos can generate cage labels containing QR codes for rapid identification and access to animal records. Alternatively, labels can include animal photos, making visual identification quick and easy for facility staff. When animals are transferred to a study site, all historical data collected during quarantine is transferred with them. In addition, breeding records from the original breeding facility are also available, providing researchers with a complete and traceable history for each animal throughout its life cycle. At the study site, users can create study plans using customizable templates. These plans define the activities to be performed throughout the study and automatically schedule them based on the study start date, helping ensure protocol compliance and consistent data collection. Study activities can include a wide range of procedures, such as pre-bleeds, test bleeds, and whole blood collections. Enos automatically tracks blood withdrawal volumes over rolling 28-day periods, allowing users to monitor cumulative blood collection and ensure established withdrawal limits are not exceeded. Alopecia assessments can also be recorded within Enos, either by scoring individual body parts or by assigning an overall score to the animal. This supports consistent welfare monitoring and enables longitudinal analysis throughout the study. Behavioral observations can be captured using terminology and scoring systems defined by your organization, ensuring data collection aligns with established protocols and reporting requirements. At the conclusion of the study, necropsy findings can be entered directly into Enos, creating a complete study record that links pre-study, in-life, and post-mortem observations within a single system. Study data can be printed, exported, or shared with clients in a variety of formats. Alternatively, data can be analyzed and visualized directly within Enos using built-in graphing and reporting tools, providing rapid access to study insights. For organizations operating across multiple facilities, Enos can also integrate with Microsoft Power BI, enabling centralized reporting and data analysis across sites anywhere in the world. This provides management teams with a comprehensive view of operational, welfare, and study data from a single reporting platform.
Oh, America was just fantastic, wasn't it, dear?
Absolutely, darling. Those photos bring back such wonderful memories.
What does the future look like? As regulatory expectations continue to evolve, the demand for greater transparency, traceability, and data integrity throughout the non-human primate supply chain will only increase. Organizations will need access to complete, verifiable records that can demonstrate the origin, health status, and breeding history of every animal. Enos is already positioned to support these future requirements. The platform is equipped to import and manage genetic testing data as genetic verification becomes more widely adopted across the industry. This will provide an additional layer of confidence in pedigree validation, colony management, and animal traceability. Today, Enos is already being used by breeding facilities in Cambodia, Vietnam, Mauritius, and China, as well as by quarantine and research organizations around the world. We continue to work closely with our customers to address emerging industry requirements and support evolving regulatory expectations. With new breeding facilities in the United States preparing to enter the commercial market and existing quarantine and research sites expanding their digital capabilities, Enos provides a scalable platform that connects breeding, quarantine, and study data into a single auditable record. This ensures that critical information follows each animal throughout its entire life cycle, supporting compliance, operational efficiency, and informed decision-making at every stage. The future of NHP management will be driven by data quality, traceability, and collaboration. Enos is helping organizations build that future today. To conclude, if you receive animals from a breeding or quarantine facility already using Enos, you receive the complete historical record along with the animals, not just a few sheets of paper. Enos helps organizations maintain complete breeding records, including pedigree information, generational history, and genetic testing data as it becomes available. When animals are shipped, Enos can generate the required shipping documentation, including local export and regulatory documents, helping to streamline the process and reduce administrative effort. Quarantine records, health screening results, TB testing, vaccinations, treatments, and other critical health data are captured as standard, providing complete traceability throughout the animal's life cycle. Rather than relying solely on the data collected at your own facility, Enos enables you to access a comprehensive health and history record from birth through breeding, quarantine, transport, and study participation. And because the data is stored in a structured digital format, it can be easily exported, shared with clients, or integrated with other systems such as Provantis and Microsoft Power BI for advanced reporting and analysis. In an industry where traceability, compliance, and data integrity are becoming increasingly important, Enos provides a single platform that connects the entire animal life cycle, delivering the transparency and confidence that regulators, suppliers, and research organizations increasingly demand. Whether you're managing breeding colonies, quarantine facilities, research studies, or multi-site operations, Enos is highly adaptable and can be configured to support your workflows, terminology, reporting needs, and regulatory requirements. Want to learn more about how adaptable Enos is to your organization's specific requirements? Contact us by email or visit our website. We'd be happy to help you explore the possibilities.